In this video, I will show you how to work backstitch for filling in shapes or spaces. I will work in straight lines, but you can also work by following the outline of your shape and filling in a more freestyle way. This is a great way to use a simple stitch for quick filling results. I will be using an embroidery needle and contoured thread such as DMC Moulinet Special. Start by stitching a line of back stitches down or across your shape. Bring your needle up through the fabric and back down a few millimeters away. Bring your needle up through the fabric a few millimeters below where your stitch ended. And back down at the end of your last stitch. Continue in this way in a straight line. Now stitch an adjacent line in the same way. Complete on the other side of your starting line in the same way until your shape is completely filled. Now you have completed your backstitch for filling.